Holley was lucky enough to team up with Boxo USA to equip our Holley garage with some modern looking toolboxes and a complete set of tools.
And they shipped it right to our door, so it's just like Christmas.
So let's see what kind of goodies Todd and the crew over at Boxo have sent us.
Hey, it's Robert from Boxo USA, and we're stoked to announce our partnership with Holley and the Holley Garage. We'll be supplying them with our Pro Series 45-inch workstation, 45-inch top and bottom box, loaded with our EVA tool solutions. Can't wait to see it inside.
Looks like we got a 45-inch Pro Series 11-drawer toolbox over here, along with a 12-drawer workstation.
It's pretty cool how this workstation is configured. You can actually access the drawers from the front or the side.
We also got a matching top to add to one of our toolboxes. These are definitely heavy duty.
Yeah, 18 gauge steel, box beam construction, and gusseted in the corners for extra strength.
I definitely love the black powder coated finish, and you can get these in white too.
The extra beefy 2,200 pound casters make these boxes super easy to roll around the shop.
And we like how smooth the ball bearing slides make the drawers open and close.
The full length drawer pulls are a nice touch. And you can personalize your box with the optional red or blue trim colors. The Boxo Pro Series toolboxes are available in a variety of sizes from 26 to 72 inch widths.
Let's check out the hand tools.
Nice 217 piece metric and SAE master set. It's got shallow and deep drive sockets in 1/4 and 3/8 drive. There's ratchets, even extensions. These must be the combination wrenches and hex sets over here.
This thing has it all, and they'll fit perfect in our Pro Series cabinets. Hey, I got all the 1/2-inch drive stuff over here.
There's shallow and deep 6-point impact sockets in chrome and black. There's even ratchets, extensions, and a breaker bar.
5-piece hammer set and a 4-piece locking plier set.
There's even some screwdrivers and a set of assorted pliers.
I really like the pre-cut foam inserts.
Yeah, now we can see at a glance what tools are being used and hopefully not lose that 10mm socket. But luckily, if we do, Boxo has us covered with their 10mm rescue kit.
And I can't wait to get the boxes filled up and get wrenching.
Boxo really hooked us up. If you're in the market for a new set of quality hand tools or you need some cabinets, be sure to check out Boxo USA.